All right. Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive.
Glad to be back.
You know we love to do these. Today, we're going to take a look at the global markets.
Sounds good.
So think of this as like a quick snapshot
Mm-hmm.
of where things stand as of today, January 31st, 2025.
Okay.
And we're pulling this information straight from a financial advisor's market update. So we're getting kind of an insider perspective here.
Nice.
So let's jump right in. Asia is where we're seeing some of the most interesting activity today.
Okay.
Markets are down.
Down, huh?
And the source we're looking at is pointing to something called DeepSeek.
DeepSeek.
Yeah, DeepSeek. Does that ring a bell?
Not really. This is the first I'm hearing of it.
Okay. Well, it seems to be causing some serious waves,
Mm,
especially in
okay.
the AI world.
Mhm.
And it looks like it's hitting South Korean chip makers particularly hard.
That's really interesting. I mean, just the fact that the markets are reacting this way,
Yeah.
even without knowing, exactly what DeepSeek is, it tells us it's something big.
Right.
Is it a new AI technology, a
No.
new company that's just come on the scene and is shaking things up? Maybe some new regulation that's got everybody nervous?
Right.
Whatever DeepSeek is, it's definitely got investors' attention.
Yeah. So let's say I'm listening to this and I'm an investor.
Yeah.
What should I be thinking about? Like, what are the implications of this DeepSeek thing?
Well, the first thing is I would want to do a little more digging. What exactly is DeepSeek?
Yeah.
And then you got to think, okay, is this a threat to the companies I'm already invested in?
Yeah.
Or could this be an opportunity? Maybe there are companies out there that are poised to benefit from this whole DeepSeek thing.
Yeah.
Like imagine a company that's developing software
Right.
that uses DeepSeek somehow.
Right.
That could be a really good investment. But on the other hand,
Yeah.
if DeepSeek makes a certain type of AI chip obsolete,
Right. Right.
well, that's going to have a huge impact on the companies making those chips.
Oh, yeah. So it could go either way. So you really got to stay informed.
Yeah,
Keep an eye on this DeepSeek thing.
definitely.
But let's shift gears a bit and look at what's happening in the U.S.
Okay.
because the market there closed strong today,
Oh, interesting.
driven by, you guessed it,
Let me guess.
positive corporate earnings reports,
Uh-huh.
especially from big tech.
That's actually really interesting because it tells me that even with all the uncertainty in the global market, investors are still feeling pretty good about the U.S. economy,
Okay.
especially the tech sector.
So they're not too worried about this whole DeepSeek thing.
Maybe not. Or maybe they see it as a U.S. opportunity. Who knows? And we got to remember, it's earnings season right now.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So companies are reporting their performance,
Mhm.
investors are reacting to that news,
Yeah.
and it's all giving us a glimpse into, how healthy the economy really is.
Earnings season always kind of a wild ride.
It is.
All right, one last stop on our global market tour today. Let's head over to the UK. Our financial advisors update tells us the market there is actually trending upwards
Upwards. Okay.
with strong performance in mining,
Mhm.
oil and gas,
Right.
and construction and materials.
So more that industrial sector stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
That's interesting.
What do you think is driving that growth?
Well, it could be a few things. It could be part of a larger global trend.
Yeah.
Maybe demand for, resources like oil and gas and building materials is just up worldwide.
Uh-huh.
But it could also be something more specific to the UK.
Oh,
Like maybe they're going through a big infrastructure boom right now.
right.
Lots of construction projects, which would definitely explain why those sectors are doing so well.
I wonder if this is a good sign for their economy overall.
Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is this sustainable growth or just a temporary spike?
Right.
I think you'd have to look at, is the UK government doing anything to specifically support these sectors? Are there any big projects that are driving this growth?
Right.
It's all about understanding the context.
Yeah. So much to think about. Well, let's sum up what we've learned today.
Okay.
Asian markets are a bit shaky thanks to this mysterious DeepSeek and its potential to disrupt the AI industry.
Right.
But over in the U.S., the market's feeling good,
Uh-huh.
especially tech, fueled by some positive earnings reports.
Yep.
And then we've got the UK, where mining, oil and gas, and construction materials are all showing strong performance. It really goes to show just how interconnected all these economies are.
It absolutely does. What happens in one part of the world can have a ripple effect across the globe.
So true.
So as you go about your day, think about what else you might want to learn, based on what we've talked about today.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to dig deeper into DeepSeek and see how it might impact your investments?
Right.
Or even your career. Maybe you're thinking about a career change.
Yeah.
Maybe the UK's growth has sparked your interest and you want to explore investment opportunities there.
Hmm. So many possibilities.
Exactly. The point is understanding these global trends, even at just a basic level, can be really valuable.
Couldn't agree more. Well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the global markets. Always a pleasure chatting with you.
My pleasure as well.
Until next time, happy investing, everyone.
Bye.